Hi everyone and welcome to Module 2. Congratulations on making it through the first week of History 100. So this week, we are going to be learning about how and where to find primary sources, how to identify a topic for historical research, and what historical questions are and how to ask them. You're going to practice everything that you're learning this week with 3 assignments. In the 2-1 short response, you'll be doing a primary source hunt and finding specific information in 3 different primary sources that you've been provided. For the 2-2 assignment, you will have a quiz on prioritizing primary sources. And your last assignment this week is the 2-3 assignment, which is your Project 1 assignment, your topic exploration worksheet. You'll be choosing a topic this week that you will then be working on throughout the remainder of the term. Now, you will have 3 topic choices to choose from, but if you would like to choose one of your own, you just need to discuss it with me first. I gave a few possible options of alternative choices in the announcements last week, so be sure to check those out if you're looking for ideas. A great way to discuss your topic with me is during my office hours from 3:30 to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time on Tuesday. The link for this will be in the announcements. You can also email me to discuss your topic. And if you have any general questions, those can be posted right in the general questions discussion board. You also have this week's live lecture, which will be at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. The live lecture, whether you watch it in person or watch it recorded, is a great way to get some information about this week's topics. You'll find a link to that live lecture in the announcements as well. So have a great week, everyone. Remember, I'm here if you need me, and thanks for watching.